What's the meaning of abuse? Abuse. 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 Abuse is a form of maltreatment or mistreatment that can be physical, emotional, or sexual. It can be inflicted on any person, regardless of age, gender, or social status. Abuse can have a devastating impact on the victim, both physically and emotionally. It can lead to physical injuries, psychological trauma, and even death. If you or someone you know is being abused, please get help. There are many resources available to help victims of abuse, including shelters, hotlines, and counseling services. Here are some examples of abuse. Physical abuse. This includes hitting, kicking, punching, or any other form of physical violence. Emotional abuse. This includes name-calling, threats, intimidation, and other forms of verbal or nonverbal abuse. Sexual abuse. This includes any unwanted sexual contact, including rape, molestation, and incest. If you are being abused, please know that you are not alone. There are people who can help you. Please reach out to a trusted friend or family member, or call a hotline such as the National Domestic Violence Hotline at 1-800-799-7233. You are not alone, and there is help available.